Hey y'all, what's up? My name's Alicia Murray and I buy and resell stuff from thrift stores, and today I'm going to be sharing some of my sales from April 2022 with y'all. April has been so far my best month of reselling since I've started. I'm super excited to share these sales with you. These are just some highlight sales. These are not all of my sales, but I think I have about 25 sales to share with you. Most of these are $40 or over, and I will also be doing a bread and butter video as well, so make sure you're subscribed. That video will be out soon. But let's go ahead and just get started with this video. I did take some screenshots. They are kind of all over the place. We're going to be going back and forth between eBay, Poshmark, and Mercari. So let's just jump into it. I also had my highest price sale ever, so I'm super excited to share that. We're just going to jump in. I'm going to try to give you an idea of how much I paid for things, and all these things I would pick up again. Everything I put in these what sold videos are things I would recommend you buy if you see them out in the wild. Okay, let's just get started. First thing I took a screenshot of was this J. Crew sweater. I did find this sweater in a thrift with me. I have been trying to upload more thrift with me's on my channel, and I don't pick up J. Crew a ton. It does sell for me, but I don't pick it up a lot. I did pick this one up because it was wool. I'm a sucker for wool, cashmere, silk, anything like that. I paid about $5 for it, and it sold for $45. So this next thing, I definitely wanted to include it. It was a new to me brand, and I've actually had it for quite some time. I got this at the bins, I want to say like a year and a half ago, and I kept it in my closet, and I was cleaning out my closet one day. I had only wore this cardigan one time, so I decided to list it on eBay, and it sold right away for $33. Pure Collection was the brand, and this was 100% cashmere. If I ever see that brand again, I will pick it up because of how quickly it sold. All right, I also had my biggest bundle ever on eBay this month. So this bundle sold for $167, and it went to Hawaii. So I'm gonna just not go over each and everything because there's a lot of stuff. There's 12 items in total. I'm just gonna pop it up on the screen. Some Fabletics leggings, Skyzer blue top, Walter Baker dress, J. Crew dress, Champion pullover, Kenneth Cole dress, Calvin Klein dress, Chico sweater, a floral top, a J. Crew skirt, a J. Crew blazer, and an top. So I sold all 12 of those items for $167, and I know a lot of y'all are out there wondering, well, what did you pay for that? I added it up. The majority of these items I got at the bag sale, where I pay less than 50 cents a piece, and then a few of these items were things I got on Dollar Day at Goodwill. All in all, I spent less than $10 on everything in this bundle, so that was a great profit for me. I don't pick up all Anthropology, but anytime I find Sparrow, I tend to pick it up because it does sell for me. This was a very controversial item in one of my TikTok videos. I think everything in that TikTok video, this specific TikTok video where I showed this sweater, everyone in the comments was basically trashing everything I picked up, saying it would never sell, and I'm pretty sure everything in that video has sold, and I made over $100 in profit. So go with your gut, check your comps, you know what sells for you. Keep picking up things that are selling for you. This did sell for $40, and it had a flaw. Like I said, Anthropology Sparrow line just sells well for me, so I will continue to pick it up. If you're looking for items that flip really quickly that you can get for really cheap, check the underwear at Goodwill. I talk about this brand all the time, XGoFrog. It's just flame resistant undergarments. This top sold for $35 plus shipping on Poshmark, so I'm gonna continue to pick up that brand. The pants do the best. The shirts all sell well, they still sell, but the pants you can get $50 for, and again, you find all this in the men's underwear section, so XGoFrog, definitely a brand to be on the lookout for. I do love to sell LL Bean, and I was super excited when I received this LL Bean pullover in my last ThredUp men's rescue box. That rescue box was a pretty good box, especially with the shoes they threw in. If you haven't seen it, I'll link that video up there. But yeah, this LL Bean pullover was one of the first things to sell, and it sold for $34. I love LL Bean. If it's priced right, I pretty much always buy it when I see it in thrift stores. So Zara is not a brand I typically pick up at thrift stores. However, I received this oversized denim shirt from Zara in a thread-up denim DIY rescue box. That's one of my favorite rescue boxes. This denim box I think is probably going to be maybe my most profitable or second profitable rescue box that I've ever received. I will link it above again if you haven't seen it. Anyway, this sold for $34 plus shipping on Poshmark, and something that I think I would pick up if I saw it at the thrift store because it did get a lot of attention. Speaking of thread up, I will have my scrap fabric rescue box, which is also turning into one of my favorite rescue boxes as well. That should be here in a day or two, so stay tuned. That unboxing will be out very soon. I love selling denim, and I especially love selling men's denim. One of my favorite brands to sell is Grindhouse. They make a lot of moto jeans. That's usually the jeans that do best for me. These were not moto, but they still sold for $50. So Grindhouse is a great brand to pick up in the men's denim section at your thrift stores. Harley Davidson is selling again. I have gone a hot minute without selling my Harley pieces, but I did just recently pick up this Harley vest, and definitely the selling point was just the gaudiness of it. It had the rhinestones in the back. That sold for 29 bucks on Mercari. I want to say within the month, maybe within a week or two. That one did sell very quickly. This skirt came in a thread up scrap fabric box, and it sold for $25 on Mercari. I got a lot of attention with this Earthbound skirt. I have actually never picked up that brand to resell, but I just recently picked it up again. Since this skirt sold and got so much attention, I actually found a new jumpsuit by this brand at a thrift store this weekend actually, and I bought it. So we're gonna see how it does. I'm gonna mark it at $40. That thrift haul, I'm probably gonna film it tomorrow, so that should be up in 2 or 3 days after this video. Jumping back over to eBay, Lafayette 148 is one of my favorite brands to sell. I think my average sale price for that brand is around $50, so I definitely pick it up when I see it. I love picking up the jackets and blazers. Those do great. This one sold for $63, and I want to say I paid about $6 at Goodwill for it. Oh, the Afgho shorts sold. I think they sold in 2 days, 1 day, very quickly. These were the shorts I got at the Goodwill bins, and they were trashed. Honestly, I didn't get all the stains out. I told y'all in that Goodwill bins haul that I would be trying to wash these things up, but they did have a ton of staining, a ton of black marks. They had rips, holes. They still sold $38.99 on eBay. Afgho, it's just a brand that sells. People love Afgho shorts. If you ever see them, pick them up. My average sale price for Afgho shorts is usually $30 to $35 per short, but because these were flawed, I did lock them up. But yeah, Afgho shorts are definitely a bolo. I love to pick up J. Jill, and I find it a lot on Goodwill Dollar Day. So I got this dress for $1, and it quickly sold for $39 and free shipping on eBay. So J. Jill is definitely a brand I'm going to continue to pick up, especially at a $1 price point. Okay, Nikes. I don't know a lot about shoes, but I try to look up sneakers whenever I see them in good condition at the thrift stores. You guys know I do not like to clean shoes, so I try to only look at the clean pairs. I did find these LeBron Witness Akron, one of those words. I sold them for $40 on eBay. That's just what I would recommend to you if you want to get into the sneaker game. Just look them up. They're usually easy to find, like a style number on the tongue of the shoe. So yeah, that's what I'm going to continue to do. Okay, let's talk about my best sale ever so far. I sold these Lucchese boots for $400 on eBay. I did pay up for these. I paid $40 for them at Goodwill, but I knew they would sell. Lucchese is an extremely expensive brand. This is the brand wore by the Dallas Cowboy cheerleaders, and the colors on these boots were just too good. They were flawless. They were in such great condition. The only flaw is whenever I bought them, Goodwill wrote, on these brand new Lucchese boots, they wrote in Sharpie on the bottom, I did a video on that. I think I have a YouTube short where I just simply took acetone nail polish remover, and I took off that price tag, and they were good as new. So yeah, if you ever see Lucchese boots, pick them up. Used boots still go for $100, $200, sometimes even more depending on the design. But if you see new Lucchese boots, even if they're priced $40 at the thrift store, I would pick them up. Yeah, this is the best sale I've had in my reselling business, so I was so excited to hear that cha-ching. And these did go internationally. Someone from Australia paid for them to be shipped to them. So glad they're happy with that. I did message the buyer to confirm she was in love, and she was. Okay, moving on, Bryn Walker. This is the first time I've ever found Bryn Walker, and I paid about, I want to say $7 for this dress. It was like a tunic dress. Sold really quickly for $48. If you see Bryn Walker, pick it up because it is a bolo. This is just a fun sale I decided to throw in. This is an Apple Park t-shirt. Sold for $33 on eBay, so if you are looking for some cheap stuff to flip, t-shirts are generally priced cheaper than like dresses, jackets, jeans, things like that. Some t-shirts do have value. This is one of them, so yeah, I would pick that up again if the price was right. Here's something that came in a ThredUp DIY scrap fabric box. JJ's House. JJ's House is just like an online dress boutique, and this was new at tags, and it sold for $53 on Mercari. Love the scrap fabric boxes. I'm so excited to open up the one coming in a couple days. Bowden, okay, so I just went to New Orleans, I want to say about 2 to 3 weeks ago. I'll pop up the video. I like vlogged the whole thing so you can see it right here. This was the first thing to sell from that New Orleans haul. This was a Bowden dress. It sold for $39 plus shipping on Poshmark. Bowden has been a brand that I have learned to love. I used to not pick it up, but now I'm finding myself paying up for it because it does sell so quickly. So we'll continue to pick up the dresses from that brand. Free People, like I said, Free People, Anthropology. I don't pick up everything. I think they're definitely oversaturated, so I look up each and every piece I find. I did pick these up. I paid about $7 for them, and they did sell for $41 on Poshmark. So yeah, I would definitely pick those up again. I did sell a long chomp bag. This sold for $34, and I do want to mention something. So I have always said that I never send out shipping discounts on Poshmark. April 2022 was the first month of like my reselling business where I sent out not only an offer but also a shipping discount on Poshmark. I sent out, I want to say, like, I used the My Shopper feature on Poshmark. It's a free feature, and I sent out I think 150 offers in like a minute. Okay, using the app. If you want a video, if you don't know how to do it, I'll make a quick video. Just leave a comment down below if that's something that you want to learn how to do. It's super simple. Just go into the My Shopper feature on your Poshmark app, and you can learn how to do it quickly from there. I've made a lot of sales that way. I actually just sent out 200 more offers today using a 20% off discount and discounted shipping, and I've made some sales. So you know what? I'm going to take back what I said. I am starting to offer shipping discounts. I'm only doing it whenever I do like big bulk offers though. But yeah, this is one of the sales that I made from doing that. But yeah, I just wanted to mention the shipping thing because it is something I think I'm going to implement in my business moving forward. Maybe once a month is what I'm thinking. Ann Taylor Loft. Some Ann Taylor Loft does really well. I got $29 for these pants I got at the bag sale. So you can't beat that. Okay guys, that was all the things I took screenshots of. I hope you found this video at least a little bit entertaining and maybe a little bit educational. If you did enjoy it, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you want to see frequent content from me. I do try to upload almost every single day here on my channel, Murrayed Life, and I'd love to have you. If you made it all the way to the end of the video, you are awesome. Please leave me an orange heart emoji in the comments. That way I can make sure to say hi to you. I appreciate you guys, and I will see you tomorrow for a fun new video. Bye y'all.